Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 203, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 203 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seneca. Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline. Thunderstorm warning for Huron County, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, northern Crawford County, southwestern Lorain County until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chatfield, or 14 miles southeast of Tiffin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lorain, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Amherst, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, Northern Milan, Wakeman, New Washington, Bloomville, Chatfield, Oberlin, South Amherst, Greenwich, Monroeville, and Attica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Seneca. Open waters from Lummi Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, gusty showers along a cold front were located along a line extending from near Monroe Harbor to 16 nautical miles southwest of North Cape, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.